Hello everyone. Who doesn't love biryani? But when we think that where did this recipe actually come from, I have two famous stories to share with. One is that Mumtaz Mahal, wife of Shah Jahan, she found soldiers undernourished in the army barracks and ordered her chefs to cook rice with meat. And the other hand, Timur, the Turk Mongol conqueror, has introduced biryani to India. Straight from Persia to India, biryani on our plates. A big thanks to them. So let us see how to prepare pan egg biryani today. Here I have taken 4 boiled eggs or 4 to 5 boiled eggs, and then I have cooled them and peeled them and then put it aside. On the other hand, I have taken a pan and added 5 tablespoons of oil, and I have taken an egg and I have slit in the middle in the shape of plus or X, and then repeat the same process with the remaining eggs. And once the oil is heated, drop eggs one by one into the oil and just fry it for 30 seconds. Remember, your eggs should not get burned, just you should get that nice golden brown color. This time just close the lid and leave it for 30 seconds, and that's it. Remove the eggs one by one and then put it aside. Now in the same pan, I didn't add extra oil, the same oil which I fried eggs. So in that I have added one large onion slit and then 4 to 5 chilies, one medium sized capsicum chopped, and 4 to 5 French beans chopped, and one large tomato chopped. I added into the pan, and then I have just sauteed for a while and then closed the lid just for 45 seconds. And then once my onions turned transparent or soft, I have turned off the flame and allowed all the veggies to cool down. Now I have taken a tumbler and added 70 ml to 100 ml of curd, and then I have mixed it well without any lumps, and then I have added into the vegetables. You can also blend it in a mixie jar also. So now give it a nice stir so that the curd gets mixed with the vegetables, and then add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder or dhania powder, pinch of turmeric, 1.5 tablespoon of salt or salt to taste, and then 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and then 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and then give it a nice mix. Once you mix all the ingredients properly, close the lid and turn on the flame and cook in simmer or on low flame for 4 to 5 minutes. And once the oil loses out, this is the time you add fried cumin powder or else normal cumin powder also you can add it, and then give it a nice stir and then let it cook for 1 more minute. Now meanwhile, you can take 1.5 cup of basmati rice and then wash it properly and then add it to the pan. So here first I have added half the quantity of basmati rice. I didn't soak it 30 minutes before. I have just washed it and directly added it. I didn't soak it earlier. So half the quantity, once you add it, just give it a light or gentle stir. If you add all the rice at a time and then you stir it, there is a chance that the rice may break, and at the end of cooking your biryani may turn into paste consistency. So instead of avoiding it, I have added like this. Now after adding the other half of the basmati rice, directly add 3 cups of water. So for 1.5 cup of basmati rice, I have added 3 cups of water. Remember, the water is at room temperature only. I didn't boil the water also earlier. And then after adding water, I dropped all the boiled or fried eggs into the pan, and then I just gave one stir. That's it. Now this is a time you can check for the salt, and if you have lesser salt you can add it, and then cook this biryani for 5 minutes on high flame and 3 minutes on low flame. Once you reduce the flame and then cook for 8 minutes completely, this will be your consistency. Now this is the time I have added colored milk into this. I have mixed this food color in the milk and added. This is completely optional, you can skip it also. And again on lower flame, cook it for 3 more minutes. And if you love it, you can add ghee at this time and then turn off the flame, and then close the lid and allow it to rest for 5 minutes. That's it. After 12 or 14 minutes of cooking, your pan egg biryani is all ready to eat and serve. So the rice over here is grainy and at the same time well cooked and so yummy and delicious, and moreover very healthy also. So you guys also try this and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. Till then, enjoy this biryani. Bye bye.